Now fold the dupatta like this and place both corners in the center and pin them. And then leave 5 inches from the center on each side and pin that. Now remove the center pin and that's opening of your jacket. So put the safety pin back nicely so that it doesn't show. And then adjust the extra fabric like this. Put a sleek belt to define your waist. And then secure the extra fabric with the help of safety pin. Our first look is ready and I feel like dancing. So instead of skirt, you can use anything, anarkali, salwar suit, palazzo, pants, whatever you like. You can borrow dupatta for this look because we are not going to cut it or sew it. For the second look, take an old dupatta, fold it lengthwise and one more fold like this. So take a boat neck top to guide you through the process. While cutting the neck, make sure you cut small section and see if it fits and then move gradually to the bigger one. Since the dupatta is very delicate, we can use lace to secure the fabric around the neck. So to keep the top in place, you can sew it on each side, leaving your armholes. But I'm going to use safety pin. Lazy girl's hack. As my dupatta is very simple, so I'm going to wear this beautiful neck piece. And our look is ready. I wore black top and black palazzo pants. You can wear anything you like, from lehenga, skirt to palazzos. I find it a very princess-like look.